Welcome. If you've been getting too many notifications from comments on your published pins on Pinterest and want to stop them, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simplest way to prevent notifications for comments on your published pins using the Pinterest app on your PC, especially with the latest update. First, open the Pinterest app on your computer. Once you're logged in and on your main homepage, look to the left side menu. You'll see a few options listed there. Scroll down until you find Settings and click on it. This will bring you to the central hub where you can customize your Pinterest experience. Inside the Settings menu, look for the Notifications section. This is where Pinterest allows you to control all the alerts you receive about activity on your account, including comments, likes, and new followers. Now, find the specific option labeled Comments at Pins You Published. This setting controls whether Pinterest sends you push notifications whenever someone comments on your pins. To stop these notifications, simply disable the push notifications for this option by clicking the toggle bar next to it. When it's off, Pinterest will no longer disturb you with alerts about pin comments. After making this change, make sure you click the Save button at the bottom or top of the page, depending on what your interface displays. Saving your changes ensures Pinterest updates your notification preferences and applies them immediately. And that's it. You've successfully prevented notifications for comments on the pins you've published. This little setting tweak can help keep your Pinterest experience more peaceful and focused only on the notifications that matter most to you. If you ever want to turn these notifications back on, just come back to the same spot in Settings under Notifications and enable the push alerts again. Thank you for watching.